I love Woodruff. And it's good people in Woodruff. I don't care what these guys do. I don't care. Just begin to tell them who they are and what they can become. Even if they even do things wrong. Some of them just crying out, they want to know which way to go. How can I fix myself? That's what they want to know. Woodruff got to stop judging people. Always judging folks. You always mess with people's past. Leave them alone. Because you got one too. Come out of these churches with this tradition and mix. Stop thinking that you're so holy that you can't touch them. We got to reach these kids now. You can't play, you can't shuck, and you can't jack. You better know they know when you're real and they know when you're fake. Most of the time, some of the people that's in the street are better than the ones sitting up in these church houses. I'm saying it and I mean it. We got to take it back. They might not be my natural born children, but I promise you, I love every single last one of them. And I feel like you're my babies too. You hear what I'm saying to you? Because everybody in Woodruff, we got history. All of us. Tia, Angie, Ron, all of us. We got history. We was born, raised here. So we know that good stuff can come out of this. I didn't mean to sound this, but yes, I did. Hey, because I know who God is, and I know what God's plan is for everybody. And that's good and to have an expected end. What the enemy meant for evil, God is going to turn it around for the good. That's why, and people need to stop speaking to people's trash and speak to the treasure. Can you look past what they were and see who they really are? Because behind everything, there's a good person. All right now. Oh, there's some good in everybody. Can you find it? Or do you just want to look over it? See the good. And when you got these little babies, start speaking in their life. All right now. Saying, oh, this is my prophet. I don't know who baby this is. But say, this is my prophet. My prophetess. She gonna sing. She gonna preach. That's how you do it. You decree it and you declare it. Don't let the enemy come in and snatch nothing. But God is in control of this. I don't know what I'm going to say. Amen. Woo! I feel good. I feel good. Come on and give me a clap. I don't know.